Astounding cosmic captures, a glimpse into the universe's wonders. The recent announcement of the winners for the 2025 ZWO Astronomy Photographer of the Year Awards has left stargazers and photography enthusiasts in awe. This contest, now in its 17th year, has showcased stunning images from the night sky, capturing the beauty and intricacies of ancient galaxies, nebulas, stellar formations, and our very own moon. Photographers hailing from various corners of the globe submitted a staggering 5,800 entries across different categories for this prestigious competition, which is organized by the Royal Observatory Greenwich in partnership with the astronomy camera manufacturer ZWO. The results were unveiled during a live stream ceremony on September 11th, marking a significant moment for both amateur and professional astrophotographers. Among the many breathtaking submissions, the grand prize was awarded to an outstanding image of the Andromeda Galaxy, masterfully captured by the talented trio of Weitang Liang, Qi Yang, and Chu Hongyu. This remarkable photograph will have the honor of being featured in a special exhibition at the National Maritime Museum in the UK, starting September 12th, alongside other category winners. Once again, the ZWO Astronomy Photographer of the Year competition brings to light some of the best astrophotography globally. Noted Dr. Ed Bloomer, an astronomer at the Royal Observatory and one of the judges for this year's contest. This year, we are particularly impressed by the images that prompt viewers to deeply consider what they're witnessing and to explore how the photographers achieved such stunning results. This sentiment resonated with the judges as well. Curious to discover the highlights from each category of the 2025 Astronomy Photographer of the Year Awards? Continue reading to explore some of the most remarkable captures, including an amazing orbital astrophotography shot by NASA astronaut Don Pettit. Auroras, Crown of Light by Kevin Che. In a breathtaking display, Kevin Che captured a vibrant aurora featuring stunning shades of red, green, and yellow as it danced across the starry backdrop of Tumbledown Bay in New Zealand. This mesmerizing image was taken on May 10, 2024. Amidst the backdrop of a Category G5 geomagnetic storm, Che utilized a Nikon Z7 astrophotography modified camera to capture this enchanting scene over multiple nights. Our Moon, The Trace of Refraction by Marcella Julia Pace. On April 7, 2024, Marcella Julia Pace beautifully photographed the moon's light as it was scattered and refracted by Earth's atmosphere from the picturesque island of Sicily. The captivating hues in her image are attributed to Rayleigh scattering, a phenomenon where shorter blue wavelengths of light are deflected while the longer wavelengths pass through with minimal obstruction. Our Sun, Active Region of the Sun's Chromosphere by James Sinclair. James Sinclair's striking image offers a fascinating glimpse into part of the Sun's atmosphere known as the chromosphere, a dynamic space characterized by shifting hydrogen and helium plasma influenced by the Sun's magnetic forces. This visual masterpiece was achieved with a 10-second exposure using a Lunt 130mm telescope paired with a Player 1 astronomy camera. People Space, ISS Lunar Flyby by Tom Williams. Captured by Tom Williams on October 27th of last year, this snapshot showcases the International Space Station, ISS, as it glided past the cratered surface of the Moon. Williams skillfully employed a Skywatcher 400p Go-to Dobsonian telescope along with an astronomy camera to capture this fleeting moment using a brief 1.5 millisecond exposure. Planets, Comets, Asteroids. Comet 12P Pons Brooks Taking a Final Bow by Dan Bartlett. In early 2024, during the solar maximum, Dan Bartlett cleverly recorded this wandering comet 12P Pons Brooks, revealing stunning structural details in the comet's tail. The dramatic photo captured the comet's essence during its journey through our solar system. Skyscapes, The Ridge by Tom Ray. Tom Ray's captivating panorama presents a breathtaking view of the Milky Way arching gracefully across a star-speckled sky above glacial rivers in Aoraki, Mount Cook National Park, New Zealand. taken on April 8, 2024. This image comprises an astonishing collection of 62 individual photographs, merging into a spectacular billion-pixel vista. Stars Nebulas. N13, an ultra-deep exposure of the popular cluster by distant luminosity. In a remarkable effort, the team of Julian Zoller, Jan Beckman, Lucas Eisert, and Wolfgang Hummel focused their lenses on the Great Hercules Cluster, situated approximately 22,200 light-years away from Earth. Capturing the densely populated region required over 29 hours of exposure time through a ZWO ASI 2600mm Pro camera mounted on a 200mm Newtonian telescope, illustrating an intricate cosmic tapestry. The Sir Patrick Moore Prize for Best Newcomer, Encounter Across Light Years, by Yurui Gong. Shizhen-Ruan. The stunning image that features a bright Perseid meteor streaking through a starfield that includes the Andromeda Galaxy was snapped by newcomers Yurui Gong and Shizhen-Ruan on August 12, 2024, during the meteor shower's peak, utilizing a Nikon Z30 camera. ZWO Young Astronomy Photographer of the Year, Orion, the Horsehead and the Flame in H-alpha by Daniele Borsari. From Italy, Daniele Borsari offered a striking monochrome representation of the renowned Horsehead and Orion nebulas, derived from over 22 hours of nighttime observations during January and February earlier this year. Annie Maunder Open Category, Fourth Dimension by Leonardo DiMaggio. With this imaginative creation, Leonardo DiMaggio intertwined a photograph of a unique geometric pattern found in a meteorite with gravitational lensing data from the James Webb Space Telescope, creating a striking illusion that resembles a fourth dimension or an extraterrestrial city in a monochromatic style. Overall winner, Galaxies, the Andromeda Core by Wei-Tang Liang, Qi Yang, Chuhong Yu. This stunning portrait of the Andromeda Galaxy, captured by Wei-Tang Liang, Qi Yang, and Chuhong Yu, not only became the overall winner, but also presents an extraordinarily detailed view of our galaxy's closest cosmic neighbor. This image's most incredible virtue is its ability to withhold showing everything. It adds a fresh perspective to how the Andromeda has been portrayed in countless ways before, remarked Laszlo Francics, one of the judges of this year's contest. This photo reveals an unusual dynamic composition, with unprecedented detail, while maintaining the overall beauty of the scene. The image exposes the intricate structures located at the heart of this spiral galaxy, attained over a lengthy 38-hour exposure from the Astrocamp Observatory in Spain, using a powerful 20-inch aperture telescope outfitted with various filters. In a release, Liang, Yang, and Yu expressed their excitement, stating, "We are thrilled and honestly did not expect to win the overall award. Thanks to the ZWO Astronomy Photographer of the Year, we can share our work and the beauty of the universe with everyone." Shush. Special feature. Earth from Orbit by Don Pettit. Astronaut and renowned orbital photographer Don Pettit skillfully captured a stunning view of Earth from the International Space Station in March 2025, while part of the Expedition 72 crew. Pettit utilized a homemade sidereal star tracker that allowed him to keep stars as fixed points in the image, while Earth's surface appeared blurred due to its rotation beneath him. Editor's note: if you wish to share your astrophotography work with the readers at space.com, please send your photos, comments, and personal information, name and location, to spacephotos@space.com. Feel free to join our space forums and engage in lively discussions about the latest missions, night sky events, and more. Also, if you have tips or would like to provide feedback, don't hesitate to reach out at community@space.com. Anthony Wood joined space.com in April 2025, after writing for outlets such as IGN, New Atlas, and Gizmodo. He has a fervor for exploring the night sky, delving into science, and following human space exploration, with excitement for the day when astronauts set foot on the moon once again.